I have here a fire, and I have here a special fuel, and we've added some chemicals to this. And if we turn the lights off, this won't make noise. We turn the lights off. What's amazing about this, every chemical has a different color. And if you know the color, you might know the chemical. Let's try this one. What do you think? Let's see, ready? Make sure I got it right. I hate that when that happens. Yeah, go. Here we go. That's strontium. What do you got there? This is the boric acid, I hope. And we're not getting mine working, but that's okay. Try that one more time. Now.
That's strontium chloride.
Strontium chloride. So when a planet goes across a star, scientists can look at the atmosphere, and if they see that color, what might be in that, Keith? That's the strontium, or is that the NaCl? If they see this color.
That's sodium chloride. That's strontium there. Yeah.
And that's one way we use these. Lights on, please. Thank you. How are we doing, guys? This next one is kind of dangerous. And let's get it set up. We need the 2 carts out, please. Thank you. This one right here. Yes, it's a pillar. And we're going to ask Joe to be ready with the fire extinguisher, Joe. Or Sparky. This is called a pillar of fire, which means it's going to go up. And we're going to have some protection. I need my fire blanket, please. Yeah, thank you very much. This is a fire blanket that will not catch fire, but sometimes it does get holes in it. Okay. All right. We're going to keep 3 levels of protection between you. Distance, the shield, and I'm going to put my goggles on. Where's our catalyst? And we have Sparky ready. Mr. Ramsey, where are you? There you are. Okay. I have the potassium magnet right here. Is that what you're looking for?
That's what we were looking for. So this is a thermal decomposition reaction, and what we're using is hydrogen peroxide again, which is H2O2, and I'm going to fill my container with about 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Now this is immiscible with hexane. That's the fuel that we're going to use. And I'm going to put just a small layer of hexane that will look like water. It's clear just like hydrogen peroxide, but it's going to just float on the surface of the hydrogen peroxide. Now hexane is flammable, so I'm going to ignite my hexane while it's just floating on the surface of the hydrogen peroxide. But then, just like in I Dream of Jeannie, I'm going to use a catalyst. Now, in I Dream of Jeannie, I used manganese dioxide, but today I'm going to use potassium permanganate, which is a much stronger oxidizer. So I'm going to put about 10 grams of potassium permanganate into my mixture, and it's going to sink through that layer of burning hexane. But when it hits the hydrogen peroxide, it's going to release all of this oxygen. And you know the fire needs heat, oxygen, fuel, and a chemical chain reaction. So when all that oxygen comes billowing out, just like it did in I Dream of Jeannie, when it hits that burning hexane, it's gonna make a pillar of fire that I hope you don't forget. So the first thing that we're gonna do after we make our mixture is we're going to get our catalyst ready. And I'm just taking just a spoonful of my manganese dioxide. And when that's ready, I'm going to move my hexane away from the experiment. And I'm checking Mr. Crosslin's progress over here. It looks like his mixture is ready. He's got his catalyst ready. Now, anytime you do an experiment like this, you have to be really aware of your surroundings. So I'm looking above the reaction, and I'm expecting this pillar to get pretty close to the ceiling. And this is a very clean burn. So hexane, when it decomposes through thermal decomposition, becomes just carbon dioxide, gas, and water. And so you're not going to have like smoke. The gas that you see coming out of this is going to be oxygen and steam, water vapor. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to light it. You'll see just a small flame. Not very impressive, but with our protective screens, we're going to stand on the side of it. And we're going to add the catalyst, and you'll see a pillar of fire that'll last about 2 seconds. Are you ready?
Lights down.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. The pillar of fire.
Ready? Gloves? It's hard to do with gloves.
He's going to light the hexane here.
Here we
Here
go. 3, lights out. 2, 1.
Oh, yes.
Lights on. Pillar of fire. Very good. Thank you.